In Artic Trucks history, being an international-based company originally founded in Iceland, most of the platforms that we were working with were international-based platforms like the Toyota Hilux and the Toyota Prado, Nissan Navara, and things like that. One of the reasons that we started out with the GX460 is because the Toyota Prado is very, very similar, obviously built on an LC150 platform, so we can bring a lot of that over and carry it over onto the GX platform. So it was a nice way for us to get a little bit of a running start into the market. And it was also, it's been proven and validated through the thousands of cars and the millions of miles that we've accrued over the years. I think we've been building the Toyota Prado for well over a decade at this point. So the AT35 and AT37 conversions for the GX platform incorporates the fundamental concept of what Artic Trucks does to build vehicles, which is building the tires into the vehicle instead of lifting it up to fit the tires. That's one of the fundamental competencies of how we build vehicles. We go through an extensive process of re-engineering the body and the frame in order to fit these large tires, 37-inch tires, under the vehicle with very minimal lift. It only sits about 1.5 inches of suspension lift. And the AT37 has about a 3/4 inch body lift on it.
Essentially, we're going from the stock, about 30-inch tire, to 37-inch tire. And so in doing that, we have to create space. And so we do similar to what we do on our other vehicles in that we open up the inside of the fender here to create space. And it's all about being able to steer this tire and not rub, not grab and rip anything off, but still have the travel, still have the full suspension travel. The body mount actually got moved. So this is the stock body mount, but we took it from here and moved it back. So we took it out of the wheel well and moved it back under the body more because obviously we need this space. Again, at full jounce and full steering, the back of that tire is right up in here. So the body mount's been moved. We've opened up the inner fender to give that tire clearance. The washer bottle has been changed as well. Again, more clearance. So the bumper's been moved so that it stays on the body line. We've added space, so we just did a body lift as well, which gives us the additional clearance for the 37-inch tire. Stock suspension, for the most part, there's enough travel in the stock suspension that we didn't have to really change any of it. Obviously, there's some aftermarket stuff going on in here, but the stock travel was already good. So we just created clearance for the tire. Because everything's been pushed out, your stock inner fender ends like right here. And so we've added our own inner fender to keep everything closed up. This protects wiring and everything that's up here. Back here, most of this now is suspension travel and creating more suspension travel. So the lower control arms have been modified. The mounts for the upper control arms have been modified. Bump stops have been changed. Our sway bar mounts have been changed. All of that is to create that additional travel. Drive shaft stays the same. There's enough slip in the stock drive shaft. That all stays the same. This one, front and rear, has been re-geared to 488s. Re-gearing with the bigger tires and all that drops the load on the engine and allows us to better utilize the horsepower that's there and turn and get that horsepower down on the ground and get it down on the ground in a usable manner. If you're actually going to go off-road and you're going to go up the trail, you're going to go up the side of the mountain, you want to be able to do that with as much control as possible, meaning you don't want to be at the max of your engine RPMs, you don't want to be at the max of what your tire spins are or any of that. You want to slow all that down and be able to think about and control what you're doing and do it thoughtfully.
It's a total conversion to the vehicle, and no one part on there can really be used without all the other parts. So all of these things really make the vehicle what it is. There's even a full branding package that comes with the vehicle, so it's not like a bunch of parts that are just thrown onto the car. It's really an Artic Trucks branded and converted vehicle.